Today I would like to explain you how to turn and how to spot when you turn. Let's get started. Hey guys, so let's talk about turns a little bit. So how to turn and look a little bit faster, have a little bit better balance, and look sharp. So it's very simple idea. It's called spotting. So spotting, what is spotting? Spotting is with my eyes, I choose a target and I'm gonna keep looking at that target as long as I can as I turn. So there is a very simple exercise I created for you. So just do very small steps in place and now start turning your shoulders slowly and keep your head at your target. So head is absolutely still at the same spot. Now you will reach a moment where you cannot keep your head anymore and it's almost your back is turning to your target. From here, you snap your head as fast as possible, find your target and let your body finish your rotation. So this is basically the idea. So if I break it down in a more simple way, we will say that the body turn first, then the head turning second, and the body finishing the turn. So it's going to be body, head, body. And as you notice, the body has the consistent speed of the turn, whether the head is going from still to snap to the same point. It's a little bit difference in speed. So body will be much more continuous and the head will stay still, boom, and then you snap it as fast as possible. Now do exactly the same to the other side because you can turn right or left. And I remind you, it's just an exercise. Here, small steps, keep turning your shoulders, keep looking at your target. Now from here, as you snap your head, try to find with your eyes your target. So keep turning your shoulders and keep looking at your target, Keep turning to now. You cannot look anymore. You already feel that strong stretch in your head. Boom. Snap your head, find your target, let the shoulders finish the step. Now, so this is an exercise. So I strongly recommend you to do it to the right side and to the left side. Keep looking. Boom. Now you can do 2 times to the right. Tick, 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 tick. Head. Tick, 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 tick. Head. 2 times to the left. So keep turning your shoulders with a small step. Head. Keep turning. Head. So it's just an exercise. Now let's do a simple version of how we can turn. So basically put your right foot, it's going to be a standing like left foot to the side. And now here, pick up your tummy. Start taking momentum from your shoulders first. So let the shoulders create momentum for your turn. Shoulders, hip, but same time, keep looking at your target. So shoulders turn first, hip, then leg. And here, as we already practiced, let your shoulder continue the turn and the head will catch at the very last moment. Do exactly the same on the other side. So shoulders, hip, leg, but head at this moment and this particular stage has to stay as still as possible. And as you know, every turn, every rotation happens in the 3 stages. So shoulders turn first, then hip, then only leg. And here we try to get momentum out of our shoulders, then the hip catch up, then the leg, and head stay as long as possible here. And now as we turn, our head catching the target. And also remember guys, so the turns are just special effects. And for the dancing, in my opinion, turns is not as important. So I want you to always remember, it's not about the turn, it's about what happens after the turn. So let's say you do spotting, you do beautiful turn, you get here, and there is that breathing and release after. That's what is beautiful, that was really dance is about. So use your turns smartly, and see you at the next lesson. And to learn more, please join my learning platform, dancewitholeg.com. You'll find there courses, programs, how to learn dancing from A to Z, a lot of dance secrets, techniques, drills, everything you need. See you. Okay guys, so this is my website, learning platform dancewitholeg.com. This we have a home page. This is about page. You can learn about me and Kristina, our teaching method. This is actual video courses. This is how it works. It's how to register and how to sign up, like from desktop and from iPhone, just like small differences. There's video instructions here as well. Private sessions is for people who book lessons with us online, and you can actually book here and everything, do payments online. This is plans and pricing, monthly. So this is like monthly membership. This is a VIP where you have like once a week you can send us video with your questions, or we can analyze how you dance, give you some tips. This is the frequently asked questions. So here's how to stop membership, how to watch, how to activate things. So all the questions in the contact, you can always ask me a question, just filling up on here. And here it's for people who live in LA and then have lessons with us. You can go to this site, BeverlyHillsDanceStudio.com, and our actual video courses. So here, as you see, you have to be logged in after you become a member. So this is your member zone. You see your account. So after you logged in, of course, then you can access this video courses page. Otherwise, it's not accessible. This is you see new, it's Rumba from A to Z. This is amazing course. Programs is like a private lessons whereby for like 25-30 minutes, you're doing drills, learning routines, doing everything in the correct way. 3-week cha-cha challenge is like you're learning cha-cha within 3 weeks. 2-week challenge for the Latin technique. All videos here. So it's like 219 videos already, and new videos, whatever new I posted, it will be here. And there's other subjects like technique, performance, dance workout, social dancing. So all this here. You can press button. For example, it's 3-week cha-cha. You press button here. This is just gonna take you to the channel, and then you can watch here intro, whatever. And then there is a small link, a small arrow here. See, there's so many days. Let's say here, you can click here. There is
Welcome
also
to
command.
another day from
You can make it full
So
screen.
today I would like to give you more structured
Just watch it.
technical understanding.